What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I told you guys in my previous videos that I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So I just thought I'll start it off right now because I'm about to go get my nails done. I gotta see what color I'm gonna pick. I'm probably gonna do like a cute like blue color. Like I'm feeling blue for some reason. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys once I get to the nail salon. All right guys, so I'm at my nail appointment. I stopped to get some coffee from Wawa. Y'all, I'm so upset because who told me to make my hair appointment the last appointment on the list? So now I'm gonna look crazy throughout this whole entire video. But I guess it's fine, I don't know. Just gonna rock my natural hair for the whole video until I get my hair done. But yeah, I'm about to go into the nail salon right now. I usually get SNS on my nails and gel on my toes. This is a pumpkin spice coffee from Wawa, and the cream that I mix it with is Irish cream. You guys can thank me later and just try that the next time you go to Wawa. It's so good. You have to do it with the Irish cream. You can add sugar if you want. I add sugar, but it's so good. I'm so happy that it's like pumpkin season because we could just enjoy all our pumpkin flavors. Next week to get my nails done, but I just realized that I have a photo shoot tomorrow for my brand, so I gotta get it done today. Alright guys, I just got finished getting my nails done. These are my nails. Blue. They did a decent job, you know. I feel like I could have been a little bit more deeper, but the color, but it's cute. And these are my toes. I got blue. Super cute. I feel so good right now. So today's the next day. Hi guys. Like I told you, I have a photo shoot today. I just got ready. Let me put on some lip gloss. I just got ready. I did like a cute little quick soft glam. I was rushing y'all because time just be flying. Time really just be flying. But I told my photographer that I'm on the way, and she asked me like which backdrop I wanted to use. And at first I was like pink because my theme is pink for my makeup brand. But then I'm like, I want to promote like soft glam. So I'm like, maybe I might do like a nude, like a cute little nude. So yeah, I think I might do like a nude background because I feel like that'll look like more subtle than just pink. Like I'm tired of pink. Pink is just like too much. But I have you guys on my tripod right now. I made sure and brought it so I could show you guys like the behind the scenes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna head out because I'm already late, and then I'll see you guys when I'm at the studio. I'm so mad I forgot to put extra blush on instead of the cream blush, but it's okay. I'll make it do what it do. It looks good though. I think I'm ready, photo shoot ready. I
I haven't done a photo shoot in so long. Like, I'm low-key nervous.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase you're putting on.
Alright guys, so I just finished my photo shoot. As you guys could see, it was super lit. The girl, she was so nice and she just made everything so comfortable. She had a mirror there for me so that I could kind of see myself, which I never really experienced in all my years of, you know, getting my photos done. That was really cool because I got to really like see myself and like make sure the pictures come out properly. But I had so much fun, guys. I'm gonna choose like 3 photos out of what I took today just to have as my like branding for my makeup page. If you guys aren't following my makeup page by now, what are you doing? It's dolled by .neva on Instagram, so definitely follow my makeup page. But yeah guys, I'm so tired. Today is Saturday. It's gonna be a chill day today. I don't really do much on Saturdays, so I'm really just gonna head to the store real quick and I'm going to just relax. And the next time you guys see me, I'll probably be getting my eyebrows done and my hair and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that. So today is another day. The last time you guys saw me, I was doing a photo shoot for my brand, which came out super cute. Hopefully I added some pictures here for you guys so you guys could see. It came out super nice and I was so satisfied with photos. I needed those photos for certain things that I need for my brand. Like I'm just gonna start doing like virtual courses and, you know, a whole bunch of other stuff that's like really exciting for my makeup brand. So you guys are gonna see. Make sure you follow my page, Doll by Neva, on Instagram. But today is my hair appointment, guys. I'm so excited. Today's my hair appointment. I tried to put my hair in like a little 2 braids type of situation just to make my hair look appropriate for the video, but it doesn't even matter because today is my hair appointment day. I'm so excited. I'm ready to get my hair done. I'm getting my hair done by Hair by Dice. She always slays my hair, so, and she just always makes me feel beautiful after I get my hair done. So I've always been going to her, so she's gonna do my hair today. You're gonna see that later. And I also have my eyebrow appointment today. So as you guys can see, my eyebrows are really bushy right now. She's gonna wax it and tint it for me today. So I'm gonna see how that is for the first time. And I'm just excited, guys. I'm just excited to be glammed up, get my eyebrows done and my hair. As you guys could see, I don't know if you guys can notice that I have like these little lash extensions. I tried to do these DIY lash extensions at home and girl, it just, clearly it hasn't worked out. So I'm just waiting for them to just come off. I'm trying to just rip them off at this point. But I'm at Starbucks right now. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Probably like the dragon fruit lemonade drink.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you that the reason I went to Starbucks is because I got a 50% off coupon. So I got this drink for like $2. Oh my gosh, this pimple on my face, why?
All right, guys, Starbucks secured. I got the dragon fruit mango lemonade refresher. So good. I'm actually starving and I should be eating right now, but my eyebrow appointment is at 12:30, so I'm thinking I might just go knock it out and then get something to eat after. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do because I want to at least have something in my stomach for my hair appointment later. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that.
This is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Do you want a little shout out for my video? Her name is Brow Genie, right? Brow Genie on Instagram. I'll have her linked down below if you guys want to follow her.
But me.
Yeah, she did a really good job. Thank you. All right, y'all. As you can see, ooh, she slayed my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows, y'all. Once I get my hair done, that's it. That's gonna be it. But guys, I'm starving. I'm about to go get some Chipotle because that's literally all I eat is Chipotle. It's bad, but I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'm gonna see you guys at my hair appointment.
/credit and get $75
guys, so
towards your
this
first
is her
sponsored job.
place. It's
Terms
so
and conditions
cute.
apply.
I'm getting braided down,
If you
as you
order
guys
food
can
for work,
see.
you know the drill.
I'm
It's
getting a
whole bunch of
sew-in,
needs and
so
requests piled on top of each other. Make sure the food's
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over taste, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.
so cute. Ooh, this hair feels good.
You do, right?
Ooh.
Learn yourself to me. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt.
This is literally my hair. That's it. This is my hair. Look at it. Period. All right, guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here because I'm tired. So thank you guys for watching, and definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.
Baby, say you like the really right. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be